Ever wondered how traffic congestion is contributing to climate change? Imagine this, it's the height of rush hour. Cars are bumper to bumper, horns blaring, engines idling. This scene, which is all too familiar in cities worldwide, is more than just an annoyance. It's a significant contributor to a global problem: climate change. Now you might be wondering, how does traffic congestion tie into climate change? Well, it all comes down to carbon emissions. Vehicles, particularly those running on fossil fuels, emit carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, when they burn fuel. When cars are stuck in traffic, they spend more time idling, burning more fuel, and thus, releasing more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excessive carbon dioxide traps heat within our atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperatures, a phenomenon we know as global warming. In fact, according to a study in 2022, transportation accounts for nearly a third of all carbon emissions in the United States. That's a hefty chunk. And it's not just the US, but worldwide, traffic congestion and the subsequent carbon emissions from vehicles are exacerbating climate change. But don't lose all hope just yet. There's a beacon of light at the end of this traffic jam tunnel. Enter smart traffic lights. These aren't your ordinary stop-and-go traffic signals. Smart traffic lights are part of an innovative solution designed to ease congestion, reduce idling time, and as a result, lower carbon emissions. These intelligent traffic management systems use advanced technologies like sensors and artificial intelligence to adapt to real-time traffic conditions. By doing so, they optimize the flow of traffic, reducing the time vehicles spend idling at red lights and thus cutting down on unnecessary carbon emissions. We're at a critical juncture in our battle against climate change, and every little bit helps. Smart traffic lights offer a promising way to tackle a part of the problem. Now let's delve into how these smart traffic lights actually work. So, how do smart traffic lights function, and what sets them apart from traditional traffic lights? Let's dive right in. At the heart of smart traffic lights lie two key components: sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms. These two work hand in hand to regulate traffic flow, making your commute smoother and less stressful. Sensors are the eyes and ears of a smart traffic light. These are strategically placed to monitor the traffic conditions in real time. They could be embedded in the road, mounted on the light poles, or even hovering above the intersection with the help of drones. These sensors collect a myriad of data, including the number of vehicles at an intersection, the speed at which they're moving, and the direction they're heading. Now what happens to all this data? Here's where the second component, artificial intelligence algorithms, steps in. These algorithms analyze the data from the sensors to understand the current traffic conditions. They're like the brain of the operation, making sense of what the sensors see and hear. But it's not just about understanding the current conditions. These AI algorithms also predict future traffic flow based on historical data and current trends. They can anticipate when traffic will build up and can adjust the traffic light timings accordingly. So, if there's a sudden influx of cars because of a sports event or a concert, the smart traffic lights can react in real time and keep traffic moving efficiently. Pretty impressive, right? But that's not all. These smart traffic lights can also adapt to unexpected situations. Imagine a pedestrian pushing the button to cross the street. The AI can detect this and adjust the light timings to ensure the pedestrian can cross safely without causing too much disruption to the traffic. Or consider an ambulance rushing to the hospital. The smart traffic light can prioritize the ambulance, turning the lights green in its path to ensure it reaches its destination quickly. And here's the beautiful part: they're not just reacting to the immediate surroundings, they're also considering the larger traffic network. This means they're not just optimizing for one intersection but for the entire grid. They can coordinate with other smart traffic lights to manage the traffic flow across a large area, reducing congestion and improving overall traffic flow. So, what sets smart traffic lights apart from traditional ones? It's their ability to adapt and respond to real-time traffic conditions, their capacity to predict and plan for future traffic, and their capability to work together as part of a larger network. While traditional traffic lights follow a fixed schedule, smart traffic lights are dynamic, flexible, and proactive, making our roads safer, our commutes easier, and our cities smarter. But these systems don't operate in isolation. They communicate and work together to manage traffic efficiently. Stay tuned for the next chapter where we'll delve into how these smart traffic lights communicate with each other and the world around them. The true power of smart traffic lights lies in their ability to communicate with each other and with vehicles. This is where the rubber really hits the road. But how does this happen, you ask? Well, let's dive right into it. Smart traffic lights use advanced communication systems to share real-time information about traffic conditions. They employ a variety of technologies, including radio frequency identification, RFID, dedicated short-range communication, DSRC, and even good old Wi-Fi. With these technologies, the lights can pick up data from the environment around them. They can see if there's a traffic jam building up, if a pedestrian wants to cross the street, or even if emergency services are on their way. But it doesn't stop there. The lights can also adjust the timing of their signals based on this information. If there's a lot of traffic moving in one direction, for instance, they can keep the green light on longer to help ease the congestion. If there's no traffic at all in the middle of the night, they can switch to a blinking yellow light, saving energy and increasing safety. Now here's the really cool part. Smart traffic lights can also communicate with vehicles directly. This is known as vehicle-to-infrastructure, or V2WAN communication. Imagine this, you're driving along and your car's navigation system gets a message from the upcoming traffic light, telling it that the light is about to turn red. Your car then knows to start slowing down, resulting in a smoother, safer, and more efficient drive. In a nutshell, smart traffic lights are like the conductors of a citywide symphony, coordinating the movement of vehicles to create a harmonious flow of traffic. And the best part? All of this communication and coordination is happening right under our noses, seamlessly integrating into our daily commutes. These innovative solutions not only improve traffic management, but also have a positive impact on our environment. So, next time you're at a red light, take a moment to appreciate the smart technology working behind the scenes to make your journey smoother and our planet cleaner. Now, how do these smart traffic lights help the climate? Well, to understand this, we first need to think about traditional traffic lights. Picture a busy intersection on a Monday morning. Cars are idling, drivers are frustrated, and there's a lot of stop and go. All this idling and accelerating increases fuel consumption, leading to more carbon emissions. Now let's bring smart traffic lights into the picture. These ingenious devices use advanced algorithms and real-time data to optimize traffic flow, reducing those frustrating and environment-harming stop-and-go situations. A smoother traffic flow means less time idling, less fuel consumption, and ultimately, fewer harmful emissions. But the magic of smart traffic lights doesn't stop at reducing carbon emissions. These devices are part of a broader shift towards smarter, more sustainable cities. They're a cog in the larger machine that includes smart grids, renewable energy, and electric vehicles. Consider this. A city with well-managed traffic can accommodate more electric vehicles without overloading the infrastructure. This means more people can switch to electric vehicles without worrying about grid instability, which further reduces carbon emissions. Smart traffic lights also have the potential to be powered by renewable energy sources. Solar-powered traffic lights are already a reality in some parts of the world, and as renewable energy technology continues to advance, we could see even more of these eco-friendly traffic management solutions. So, you see, smart traffic lights aren't just about making our commutes less stressful. They're about making our cities smarter and more sustainable. They're about reducing our carbon footprint and fighting back against climate change. The potential of smart traffic lights in combating climate change is immense. They're a testament to how small changes, when multiplied across millions of intersections around the world, can have a big impact on our planet. So, next time you're at a traffic light, remember, it's not just controlling traffic, it's contributing to a healthier planet. Thank you for watching.